cup straight ahead. They're gonna fly over and land on you. Just don't grab them or pet them, and then watch where you walk.
All right, thank you.
Okay, I got one. All the way in, and then to your right hand side.
Right, third, fifth,
all right.
All the way in.
Okay. All right. Are they all the same kind of parrot? They're all the same kind?
Oh, no. They're different. This is the rainbow one. The one's right there in the next to the defender. The most one. You got some dark green ones. They're all old. But they're all monkeys.
Holy smoke.
Alright, clear. Coming out.
Yep. Wait for the
Cup in the trash can on your left, sir.